Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you need a little extra help to get your gym clothes clean, you got to check out this detergent.
I gotta be honest with you, I sweat a lot when I work out and my gym clothes are pretty nasty. So this Nonaste laundry detergent that is in a travel size is perfect for me. So I love that it's small enough that you can even bring it on your flight with you. And it is super, super powerful. So each one you can actually get up to 3 loads out of. It just depends on how stinky they are and how much you're trying to fight those bad odors. So you can use the entire bottle or just a little bit. I wanted to show you here by soaking one of my stinkier items just how dirty the water gets. I was really amazed at how it pulls all of that grime from the clothing. The scent is super fresh and light. I find it to be very floral and uplifting. It's also sealed so that when you're traveling with them new, you don't have to worry about them spilling either. My clothes came out of the laundry smelling nice and fresh, and that is not usually the case. Usually they are really tough to get these odors out. So I was super impressed that this laundry detergent actually was able to tackle the odors. And my clothing was nice and soft too when it came out of the laundry. So I definitely recommend checking this out.
But that's just my point of view.